Multifunction nail drill kit. Comes with 20,000 RPM powerful rotary motor and 6 kinds of 3/32 seconds, mental nail drill bits, elegant packaging with one portable storage bag. This electric nail file can be used for shaping, buffing, grinding, polishing, removing for acrylic nails, polygel nails, artificial extension nails, thick nails, builder gel, dip powder, fake nails, natural nails, and cuticle dead skin. Adjustable speed direction. This electric nail drill machine with an adjustable speed control button, adjustable speed 0–20,000 RPM. The rotation direction function makes it easy for right-handed or left-handed use, saving your time for nail art DIY. Easy to operate. Easy to change the nail bits matching up well without tools, and it will be used immediately when connecting the power. You still look proficient in nail drill even if you are a beginner, which is extremely simple operation. Good choice for both home and salon use. Low heat and noise design. This nail drill is built of a powerful and quiet motor, high-quality aluminum body. Keep the nail drill machine low heat, low noise, and low vibration while using it. Portable convenient design. Our professional acrylic nail drills with upgrade USB interface. You can plug nail drill into any USB port, such as power bank, laptop, adapter, or car charger. Top reviews from the United States. Nails look so good. I bought this for a friend as she loved the one I had. The first time she used it she couldn't stop talking about how great her nails looked. She's even talking about buying a set to give to her friend.